where we need to be. Go unhook. Remember, this is the Getty box. All right, you want to close your valve. Your valve is back here. We're going to reach and grab it. It's kind of stiff. This one's kind of difficult to do, so I always bump it a little bit. You want to open up your little bleeder valve. Let it suck some of the fluid out. I'm going to unhook. Throw a cap on. Always close that bleeder valve. Shut the Getty box. You always close the Getty box. Alright, put this back on the trailer. And then we're going to the frac site. Gotta get our ground wire. Get our ground wire and shut the valve in the back here. Very important. Alright, that is closed. Get our ground wire. Wrap it up. Try to be safe. Always safety. They're big on that here. Alright, and then we're going to go get back in the truck and go to the frac site, okay? See you over there.